Hey guys, I made a macrame placemat. It could also be used as a small table runner or tabletop decor. I cut 26 cords at 12 feet each, but 104 inches should be enough because I ended up with this much extra cord. I used a 15-inch dowel with a 3/8 of an inch diameter. This left 2 inches of cord at the end. Use a thicker dowel or leave a gap if you want longer cords at the end. Fold the cord in half to find its center. Place it over the dowel and bring the ends through the loop created, creating a lark's head knot. I made 26 lark's head knots. Take the 4 cords from the left and make a square knot. To do this, make a number 4 with the left cord over the 2 middle cords and under the right. Bring the right cord through the loop created and pull it tight. Then make a backwards 4 with the right cord over the 2 middle cords and under the left. Bring the left cord through the loop created and pull it tight. Skip 4 lark's head knots. Then make a square knot with the 7th and 8th lark's head knot. Repeat this with the rest of the row. Skip 4 lark's head knots and make a square knot. For the next row, skip 2 cords from the left. Take the 2 cords from the square knot in the previous row and the next 2 cords. Then make a square knot. Repeat this with the other square knots. Form a V shape. I made 4 V's. The center is the 4th square knot. Start another V shape at the center of the previous V. It should form X's or diamonds. Then I made more rows. I started with a V shape, followed by 9 diamonds, and ended it with half a diamond. Next, remove the dowel. Then cut the ends. The placemat was 18 inches by 13 inches. I left 1.5 inches of cord at the ends. I did the same to the other side. Save the extra cords for smaller projects like macrame ornaments. I spray the ends with water to make them a little more straight. And here's how it turned out.